Video 6. Pagani Utopia, Tire Physics and the Mechanical Grip Triangle. Introduction. VVA9, the Braking Legacy. In our previous analysis, we dissected the engineering behind VVA9. We evaluated how this system manages thermal energy and friction within the wheel mass to initiate the deceleration of the hypercar. Today's core, ESP33.1 and ESP34. The caliper brakes the disc, and the disc brakes the wheel rim, but the only component physically stopping the vehicle against the tarmac is the tire. Today, we introduce ESP33.1, the dynamic derivation of the contact patch, and ESP34, the structural geometry of the suspension. We will learn how deceleration, rubber deformation, and chassis resistance interact under extreme load transfers. Academic objective. By the end of this video, you will understand that mechanical grip is not a static property of rubber. We will analyze how the longitudinal force of VVA9 deforms the tire sidewall, altering ESP33.1 contact patch, and how ESP34, the suspension, acts as a shield to defend that footprint against the ground without losing millimetric alignment. Block 1. The thermal dynamic link, VVA9. Severe deceleration generated by VVA9 instantaneously transfers the vehicle's mass towards the front axle. This action not only alters aerodynamic and mechanical load, but the heat dissipated by the system indirectly affects the tire's internal temperature and air pressure, disrupting the baseline grip conditions. Block 2. ESP33.1 The physics of the dynamic contact patch. We enter ESP33.1, the behavior of the rubber compound under extreme torque. The tire footprint, or contact patch, is a living variable. We will analyze the physics behind its deformation and how the usable contact area is defended when the molecular forces of the polymer fight to maintain the obsession with grip against longitudinal load transfer. Block 3. ESP34 The shield of structural geometry. We introduce ESP34, corresponding to the control arms, bushings, and articulated suspension linkages that connect the wheel mass to the chassis. We evaluate the stiffness of their materials and alloys. This structure is responsible for absorbing the reaction forces of ESP33.1 and preventing geometric variances from ruining the millimetric suspension alignment under limit transfers originated by VVA9. Conclusion and author's note. System synthesis. VVA9, ESP33.1, and ESP34 form an indivisible triangle of mechanical grip. If one of these elements fails, traction collapses. The engineering of the Pagani Utopia masters this critical transfer through the exact balance between unsprung mass and the rigidity of its structural components. Author's note. To provide value to the global engineering community, this identical structural technical breakdown is published in parallel in Spanish on our brother channel, La Quintessence del Grip, catering to the Spanish-speaking community. Next analysis preview. In video 7, we will leap into the next tier of extended specifications, ESP, diving into the structural and dynamic analysis of the next critical system within our master specification sheet. I am Alberto Palacios and this is the Grip Quintessence.